So we've been talking about the auto hotkey versus Xdo tool and thinking about what to do and what not to do and all that good stuff. Let's put this, save this for now. Did I need to save anything else? But for now, let's just brute force the safe and we'll look into more auto hotkey later. But I did download, what was this called again? WeChat. Let's put that here as well because I want to look into WeChat. I'm gonna read up a little bit about different ways to do bots because I can see it in front of me that you could use Xdo tool to make a bot. I can see it in front of me, but I don't know. Oh, Node Runner is still here. He's linking unknown. Oh, wait, let's check this out then. Actually, no, let's move this over here and this over here. Let's check this out. What is this? Picklab color aimbot a auto hotkey script. This is an extremely simple auto hotkey script, which is based on, well, actually, before he goes, he says this is an example of an auto hotkey color-based aimbot. I've never used it, but I imagine it only works on games with colorful players. Yeah. And you have to have... There has to be patterns. Can't just do a single pixel because then suddenly you run into a wall that has that very, very color, right? I thought about that as well. Part of you really wants to... Just having the color of a single pixel is not enough. You need a group of pixels. You need a little square. Oh, right. Let's check it. Holy shit, that was short, yeah. That's a pretty small aimbot. Thanks, Node Runner. And again, sleep tight. Have a good one. These are just starting out. Set a delay, which is... And this scans the whole... Can scan the whole image, right? All right. Yeah, I think yeah. For now, we'll just do some brute forcing here. Actually, I want to move the scripts here. Oh, nope. There was... And we move them to... Want them all to be in the same folder, which is... There we go. Yep. All right, so what did we do yesterday? We checked click thing, right? Alright, so what we did was that I don't want this in the click. I don't want to do this every time, I just want this to click. So I need to put this in another script. We just had it in there to try it out, right? And that it works. And it does work now. And I'm pretty sure I thought about this. We were trying this window thing. Like we wanted it to click the window. And I'm pretty sure it's the... Since we have no control over this window, that has got to be the reason why this doesn't work. It's gotta be specifically for this game, like Colgate In on Tap said yesterday, that it's probably about the game. Yeah, it's probably about the game. Like if we can just play a game in windowed mode, this probably will work without a hitch. But that we'll try that out the next time we play with Xdotool if we do. But for now, we want to... Like we wanted this loop, right? So in here is where we want to... yeah, right. We're talking about sleeping here, but instead of sleeping, we just Xdotool is super L +1. That is how we start out. So now we don't have to do that here. Just do the mouse move and the click. Right, we need this because we need a... Okay. This creates these variables, which is fine. Actually, we could just create a variable within the loop every time we start a new loop. Nah, it's gonna be equally annoying. Bash for loop. Actually, come in for loop range. Oh, there we go. Or, oh, in wait. Will it start with 1 then? Don't we want to start with 0? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Well, actually, let's... let's do it this way. Sure, fine. Do... and done. So the first thing we do is that we click once, right? Which is... just that we echo XYSW1. Nope. We echo this thing, which we then pipe into xdo click XYSW. That is the click, and then we start another. Yeah, we just do this over and over again. Jank that. We put it in, and put it in. But that's it, right? And we just change this to 2 and 3 and 4. That has got to be it, right? The only thing we need to do is that we need to copy that. Copy xdo click to my scripts. All right, and we have the path, which is the test one. Actually, and we cat the other one. Right, so what we do is that we move the mouse location test to just mouse location dot text. And we change the mouse location dot text. We remove this one, and this one. And copy mouse location dot text into mouse location temp. Right. So then we can start actually by just start by copying that. Nope. Into, here we go. Right, that has got to be the way, right? Just to copy it locations into the temporary stuff. Which actually, what I want to do is that I want to change this to this one. I want to copy that not into the temporary file, but to this file. So that is saved. I can save those. I only have to do this once. Alright, which means that we want to copy that as well. We want to copy x2 mouse to my scripts folder. Right, so we have one file where we save. When we run this script, we add into this file. Then when we run this and we start removing stuff, we copy this file to this file and start removing them from this file. So I don't have to redo this. That is the plan. Now, if I've done stuff well, which I probably haven't, there's gotta be a mistake in here, right? Oh, yep. We gotta end every loop. Gotta end every loop. We do that here, right? Wait. Like this loop, we end here. Done. There we end this loop. Yeah, they're all gonna be here. That is how we finish all the loops. I think. We have these going. Alright. Trial by fire then. Let's see what happens. Nothing happens. Why does nothing happen? Alright. We've done... syntax error. Do these have to be... I'm guessing they have to be within quotes? Fuck. Never learned this syntax. Do I need to put this in parentheses or something? No. Look, they're doing it right here. I think. Alright, so let's try that again with the quotes. Still not working, eh? Look, isn't it? Bash echo variable. Oh, that's weird. Oh, good point. Good point. Colgate in on tap asks, is it okay to use the same variable for index within nested loops? I mean, it shouldn't break until after this click, but that is a very good point. But what is the standard names of this? I don't know. B, X, Y, whatever. Just give them different names. Good point indeed. No. It might have been broken. Good looking out call getting on tap. But it's not that which is broken. It is this that is broken. Actually, let me... Let's just try this. See that there is something here, right? So... yeah, let's just put that there. Oops. See if it does type anything for me. Yeah. It still has, it has the right value and it does echo it. So this is the problem. Can't I use my scripts? Can't I call a script from within a script? Oh! There we go. It's a .sh in the end. Of course there is. It's a shell script. I name them with .sh. Let's try again. No? Ooh, I'm actually curious. Does that save? No. I thought. Alright, let's try tail. Which one are we again? Location. Wait. All right, it empties out. It's empty now, but there we go. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Didn't misspell this, did I? X2 click xysw.sh. Unexpected token echo. This is exactly how they did it, didn't they? Or IN I don't think I put in here, did I? Yeah, 4i in 1 to 10. Does it really need to do this? Is that what's going on? That can't be it, can it? I can't imagine that would be the case. That is the case. Holy shit. And it's working. Look at this. It's working. We're brute forcing. Oh, yes. I had no idea. Thought that was just a stylistic choice. I've been training in C. Making a syntactic error. Alright, brute forcing takes longer than I would have imagined. That is the problem with having to be within this window. We have to have it running in here, right? I can't open something else up. That's a bit sad. I mean, we're not even close. Yeah, we're not even close to finishing it. But it works. It makes me super fucking happy. But I kind of want to watch this anyway, because I want to see what happens if we get the correct one. So we can do this with Exto tool. Oh, we're a 10th down. Oh. What is happening? Oh, you see that? It broke. It broke. Oh no, it broke. Wait, what? Alright then. I broke it. That is so sad. Yeah. That is part why you would want to... what's it called? Analyze what you're actually looking at. Fuck me. Fuck me. Alright, so... just... Nope, that's not how we do it. This is how we do it. Do X, do... click. Yes. No, fuck. X, do mouse location. Alright, then we do it again. See if it's gonna break again. Maybe it will. Nope, that's not the button. Wait, what's going on? Oh, right. All those misclicks, gonna fix that. Let's move you out of the way and those. Alright, let's try it again now. It should just work. No, fuck. That is so sad. I don't know how to deal with that issue. However, the following will not work. Why will this not work? Kind of weird. Okay, so this is a weakness of Xdo tool, right? That it cannot adapt to changes on the screen. That these are not the same locations as... Oh wait, I can't. Like that it changes. And if all of them, it changes too much, right? I can make a gamble, and I can make this. I can try this and gamble that this might work. Let's try that out. Can try that gamble. Oh fuck, now I skipped. Skipped a lot of numbers. Actually, yeah, let's... There we go. We want to start from 11111 and see if it works from here, then we're good. Actually, no. We've already checked 1111, right? I don't even have to check that. I only have to check from here. And actually, can I... Yes. We won't have been that issue again. So, let's try again. Wait, how did that become a number 3? Like the last number is number 3. It's supposed to be number 1. Right? Oh, because it clicks this first. Yeah. This is the first loop. Fuck. I was thinking the wrong way. So we want this to click to number 1 straight away. Yes. Same here, I think. And these can start at number 1. I think here we won't miss anything, I don't think. Right, there we go. Super fucking close on the left there to miss it, but it didn't. And now we're good. Yeah, seems like we're good now. I think I just caught another bug. I want to do more botting in games. Yeah. I'm kind of hyped about doing more botting. There's something mesmerizing about looking at this. But to do botting, you need to see the screen. You really need to see the screen. Like, yeah, you need to react to... Oh! Stop. No, not that again. No. Cancel. That was it, though. That was it. Fuck. I didn't see what it was. Alright, so this must have been 8 then. I was too slow. Fuck, but these has got to be 81, right? Fuck. Could have been 71 as well. Alright, let's brute force this myself. Well, actually I can do that again. We were at 6. Let's start at 006. It'll jump to 7 and just run it again. And be prepared this time. All right. That was it. All right. There it was. It was it on the 8? There it was, yeah. $18.71. Wonder what happened in 1871. Let's open it. Brute forcing for the win. In the safe, almost hidden under a dusty sack of old administrative papers, lay a single record, still within its sleeve. Examine the record. Could you please remove that? Contents. Mysterium. Prefatory action. Prelude of sorts to Alexander Scriabin's interminable yet unfinished orchestral work, Mysterium. This record was a rarity among rarities. Print on the record revealed that it had been performed and recorded here at the Imperial Opera. Let's take it. We have a record. Examine the phonograph. Let's listen to it, I guess. That was some Morse code happening. Not here then. I wonder... I have no idea where to use this. Alright. But there is another safe. Let's crack that safe as well. It was fun cracking safes. Because I don't think we could use... Actually, let's enter the theater. I don't remember... I have no idea where to use this thing. I have no memory of whereof. Where are we? We're at the riverside. The boulevards are a shadow of their former self now. Yeah, we've seen this. We've seen this. I think we're going towards the plaza. Salandre residence? No. We're going along the river, I'm pretty sure. Regional command. Is this the safe? No. Wait, I just walked in a circle. Fuck. It's south. We're going to the train station, right? I don't remember where the train station were. Back east? Ah, requisition terminal. In here we got another administration booths. And examine the safe. Alright, so let's crack this safe as well. We should be... Yeah. No? Oh no. Look at that. They're completely different. So what we do is that we take... number one here and number one here. And that should be enough to get it where we want it to be. Right there should be fine. All right, that should be fine. Seems to be working just fine. Alright, and as soon as that open stuff pops up, we need to be ready to... Yeah, we need to look at it. It just didn't open. It just added the extra thing, which was kind of rude. Well, I could have just added... That would take twice as long to crack the safe. We could have just added going down and trying to press the open button after each test, but that, yeah, that would take twice as long indeed to break this safe. I wouldn't want that. Wonder if the 11111 is gonna break it again. Kinda want to change this song, but we'll see if 11111 will break it first. If it breaks it, we might as well switch song, otherwise we can just stay. It's fine. Yeah, but you know, creating bots sounds like fun. Really fun. Oh. It's working. It is working. Perfect. This just moving and clicking like this can't take a lot of resources. The resource intensive thing would be to evaluate responding to the actual game. And we would need to not only single pixels reacting to single pixels, but would need to react to, if not the whole screen. I don't need to react to the full screen. I can just take random small squares and react to random small squares. We could just take a random square somewhere on the screen and see, is this what we want? No. Is this what... Oh, that was it. Did the 7 change? I don't think it did. I think this was a 7. Probably. Was I fast enough? No. And then this was a 6. No. Alright, if it was a 5? Is my reaction time that slow? About a 4. Oh, fuck. Wait, is it the same code? 71? No. No, it's not the same. Was it a 3? No. 2? I mean, it was right there. How? 1? Ah, there we go. 1871. Yeah, it was the same code, right? 1871. That's weird. Alright, safe door opened, taking with it a layer of dust as it swept across the floor as the hinges let out a small metallic shriek that reverberated through the silent terminal. Little use had meant only the interior of the safe was free of that ever-present dust. Within the safe, a key of high make shown as new, despite the haze and gloom of the station. To the back lay a small, seemingly makeshift carbide lantern. Ooh. Yeah, we want the lantern. The lantern will probably make us go up the tower, I think. So examine the lantern. Carbide lantern, likely requisitioned from a bicycle. High-class make, as are often fitted with these, had been attached to a simple yet elegant build and cranked dynamo. Yeah, let's take that. And take the key as well. Key fashioned to resemble the minute hand of an ornate clock. That has got to be close to the swinging thing. Right? Alright, before lunch I want to just climb the stairs. Climb the tower. Turn to the promenade. We go to the intersection. We climb to the plaza. We ascend the steps. Yep. We ascend to the apex. We enter the institute. We entered the tower. We climbed the tower. Because it was dark here. I was wondering, like, we climbed up and it was dark and we couldn't go through. Yeah, hallway light. Hallway dark. It was dark before. The 11th floor consisted of a small hallway acting as a landing and final floor for the spiral staircase. Windowless and unlit, but for faint light seeping in through the frame of the large door, taking up the opposite end of the room. Illuminated in the lantern's soft beam, the door and its lock became legible. Examine the door. The doorway was decorated with brass inlay, intricate metalwork designed with an almost Art Nouveau hand. Its form and sensibility implying motion with every line locked. Is it this key then? Enter. We're in the parlor. Perfect. And it's lunchtime, so we can exit the game. Yeah, let's exit the game and continue here tomorrow. 1871 was the thing for both the things. Oh my god, cracking the safe was so much fun, man. So much fun. Actually, if you're still here, Colgate in on tap, thanks again for just insisting on brute forcing. It was way more fun than I thought that it would be. Well, I had way more fun than I thought that I would have. Alright. Colgate in on tap is here, so nice. Here you go, he says. Thanks again. Yes, that was way fun. And I'm, more and more hyped about somehow botting Factorio. Yeah, botting Factorio. I need to read up a little bit about, what the fuck was it called again? The auto hotkey. Auto. Have you played with auto hotkey in anything? Colgate in on tap. It's for Windows. So nah, says Colgate in on tap. I kind of want to do it with Xdotool. The only thing that I can imagine is like taking, like, what the fuck is it? How do I do this? Like something like this, that I take a screenshot like this, and I somehow, like I just took a screenshot around that N button there, just somehow taking those kind of screenshots and analyzing those screenshots rather than analyzing stuff in the screen itself. I'm thinking that is a way to speed it up, just taking, sometimes randomly, just taking small screenshots, and at other times taking screenshots where I know that there will be text or numbers. Yeah, because we do need to analyze the screen. We need to react to stuff happening to the screen. Auto hotkey can do that. We can react to just simple colors. with the other thing that he showed us. Where was it? This one. Something like this can make us react to just grab color, right? We can just grab a color at a specific pixel. Then again, we would need to do that within a window. Yeah, I'll need to look into this some more. Sleep on it, think on it. Because part of me really don't want to do the auto hotkey thing, because I'm not a Windows user. Another part of me says that this is probably the easiest way to do bots while doing the xdo route. We can automate a lot of stuff, not just games. I can automate anything. And automating anything sounds more fun than just automating games. Yeah. We'll think about it. We'll still have time to think, to feel. How does it feel? That's a very good question. But yeah, thanks for hanging out, and I'm off.